country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
Proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and our elders
and our elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
There will be
and prosperity,
and prosperity.
along lies
Along lies
my happiness.
my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade X Sapphire. International and national news is brought to you by Hasini. Thailand school safety. Schools across Thailand are conducting emergency drills following a deadly school attack. Authorities are strengthening security. National news. Tell India and Japan Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is scheduled to meet Japan's Defense Minister Shinjiro Koizumi in New Delhi today to discuss defense and security cooperation. Thank you. Have a great day.
And today's State and Sports News is brought to you by Nageshi from Grade X. State News. Telangana has inaugurated a super specialty TIMS hospital in Hyderabad. Sports News. Indian badminton players such Satvik Chirag and Lakshya Sen are doing well at World Championship. Thank you. This weather report is brought to you by Ashmita. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Air quality good, wind speed 19 kilometers per hour. That's the end of today's weather report. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thought is brought to you by Hansika. A key to success is to use good thoughts of wise people. I repeat it again. A key to success in life is to use good thoughts of wise people. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by Jarishma of Grade X Sapphire. Word, precision. It means the quality of being clear or closeness of two or more measurements. I repeat it once again. Precision. The quality of clear and closeness of two or more measurements. Friends, please repeat after me. Precision.
Precision.
PROCICISON. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Who are present here. I am Harina of Grade 10 and today I am honored to speak about Sadbhavana Divas, which is observed every year on 20th August, the birth anniversary of our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi ji. The word Sadbhavana means goodwill, harmony and friendship. This day reminds us of the importance of living together with peace, unity, tolerance and mutual respect regardless of our differences in region, language, culture or background. We should remember that unity in diversity is India's one of the greatest strengths, and let us promise to spread love, respect and harmony wherever we go. And as students, we can practice the spirit of Sadbhavana Divas by avoiding conflicts, helping those in need and solving disagreements through kindness and understanding. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
This one speech is brought to you by Kirtana from Grade 10. Question for Grade 7. When is Sadbhavana Divas is celebrated on? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 20th August. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. On the birth anniversary of whom do we celebrate Sadbhavana Divas?
Rajiv Gandhi.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. What is the position of Sir Rajiv Gandhi? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is former Prime Minister. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 10. What does the word Sadbhavana mean?
Peace and unity.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is harmony, goodwill and friendship. Thank you. That's the end of quiz. Students of Grade X Sapphire, and here we are going to do a small activity on math code, and here are my friends Shivamani, Shirisha, Swati and Akshita. Case 1. The quadratic equation find. Witness equation x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0.
Lawyer 1, proceed.
Your Honor, I prove x is equals to 2 is the solution. Put x is equals to 2 and the answer is 0. Case closed.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection, recluse. Please repeat the statement.
I prove x is equals to 2 is the solution. Put x is equals to 2 and the answer is 0. Case closed.
My client x is equal to 3 is also innocent. Put x value 3 and the answer is 0. Case closed.
No, Your Honor, x is equals to 2.
X is equal to 3.
2.
3.
2.
3.
2.
Order, order, order. Both the statements are true. The equation has two roots.
Case 2. The AP bank fraud. Witness EMI payments. Your Honor, my client EMI paid is 2000, 2200, 2400, 2600. This is an AP. Common difference is 200. 10th month EMI is 3800.
Objection, Your Honor. What is the total month paid in 10 months?
3800.
This is clear a fraud. Total amount paid is 29,000. Fraud caught. Math calculated everything.
Case 3. The probability accident. Witness a dice. Your Honor, probability of getting 6 on dice is 1 by 6.
But what about getting an even number like 2, 4, 6? 3 outcomes. The probability is 3 by 6.
No, Your Honor, it is 1 by 2.
3 by 6.
1 by 2.
3 by 6.
1 by 2.
Ayyo Rama, both the answers are correct. It is not a court, it's not a ground to fight like this, it's a court. The court advises that the people do not argue and think better. Thinking and better thinking leads to creativity. Thank you and have a peaceful day ahead.